Gearing up for an enticing clash against CF Mounana, SuperSport United midfielder Nyane knows that preparation for this encounter is very important. Although the Gabon-based team are at the bottom of the log, they should not be underestimated.
Our preparations were since Sibuya Equatorial Guinea. We started training Izolo and we're preparing for a game on Saturday. And then we look trainer Izolo nomqeqesho musha and ngicabanga ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle and so we're ready on Saturday.
With United under new guidance, SuperSport maestro Jeremy Brocky is excited to work with Eric Tinkler as former coach Stuart Baxter takes up his responsibilities with the national team.
His first session with the boys yesterday, he brought a lot of enthusiasm and he's a serious guy on the training pitch, but we can have a joke and stuff at the right time. So I guess that's sort of in the same mould as Stuart, the professionalism.
The transfer market is abuzz at the moment, with Tinkler making his move to SuperSport United and goalkeeper Ronwen Williams getting the vote of confidence and a 5-year contract extension. The newly assembled squad may be the best team SuperSport has put on the table in a while.
Coach Caetano Tembo just mentioned that he's been here all his life and this is one of the best teams he's ever been at, have ever coached at this club. So, and it made me think, and I think this is the best team that this club has assembled.
The spectacle will kick off at 3:30 at the Lucas Masterpiece Moripa Stadium in Pretoria, with SuperSport United hoping to get back to its winning ways and push through to the quarterfinals of the CAF Confederations Cup. Malwandla, Hlekane, Soweto TV News, Megawatt Part, Sunninghill.